How to turn off offensive words and phrases on Instagram Threads easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn it off. It's easy. First open Instagram Threads and then go to your profile, and now go to these two lines here and then go to privacy, and you will see this one, hidden words. Now click on it, and now you will find offensive words and phrases. Now all you have to do, just select off and go back, and now let's make sure, and as you see, it will be saved. Just go back and that's it. You can turn it on whenever you want, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.